Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing basics, admin access, live internet, and current Windows updates. Once done, disable VPN and antivirus temporarily so installers won't be blocked. Next, download the latest PC Suite installer and the Xiaomi USB driver matching your OS bitness. Do not run yet. Make sure USB debugging on the phone is enabled and cable is in good condition. Now plug the device into the PC to verify a hardware connection before running any setup. You run the PC Suite installer as administrator and choose full install so all dependencies are registered. During setup, allow driver installation prompts. Once complete, open Device Manager to confirm Xiaomi device appears. If it shows as unknown, manually update driver and point to the downloaded driver folder. Make sure USB debugging is enabled on your phone and you select the correct USB mode. MTP usually works best. If connection still fails, restart the PC and phone, then reconnect. You finish by launching PC Suite, signing in, and performing a quick backup to confirm everything functions. If network features fail, check Windows firewall and antivirus rules and add PC Suite exceptions, then restart the app. Once sync completes, restore any temporarily disabled protections. If problems persist, gather logs, try a different USB cable or another PC to isolate hardware versus software causes, and use those findings when contacting support. One key tip: always test a second PC first to rule out local configuration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.